Hello, today I am doing some Mexican carrots. I've already got bay leaves and 5 cloves. Well, it's a little more than 5 because some of them are small. I think I put like 7 in there and 5 bay leaves. Now I'm going to put some Mexican oregano. And yes, there's a difference between regular oregano and Mexican oregano. 2 teaspoons. Got coriander and black pepper seeds. This is coriander, cumin. This is coriander. Cumin seed. Sorry, grabbed the wrong spice. I need cumin seeds. And it's half a teaspoon. It says about 10 to 12. That looks about right. These things hurt when you drop them on the floor and you step on them. Then we need carrots. From my last video I had some leftover celery and bell pepper. So those are going in with it. And jalapenos. It says 2 large. I just kind of scatter them as I put them in there. And it says half a yellow onion. I rough chop these, break them apart, put them in there. Put a few more jalapenos. Alright, I've got that filled. I don't think I'm putting anything else in there. Our vinegar is hot, so let's fill. That's filled, and and ready to be lid. Once it cools down a little bit, I'll lid it. Set in the refrigerator 1 to 2 weeks. Let them get all nice and married together. Let the vinegar solution do its job, and they'll be ready to eat.